welcome back to our video. Today we're doing science and we're building a germ farm.
Ooh, so just like the one in this book. So wait a second. Build a germ farm. So we
the dog mouth on the book is so
wait, Zach, don't dip first, okay? So we already have our petri dishes ready. We have the agar inside it. You cannot see because it's white, but there's an agar there. Just like it's like jelly, but it's harder than jelly. So we melted that powder. We melted in water and then we put it here. So now we are gonna test out the cell phone. This is a spare phone that we have. Laptop on the keyboard. Okay, this is Mommy's laptop before, and now Zach is using it. And Zeb wanted to test his bike wheels. Zach wanted to test his and his scooter wheels. So first, Kuya, yeah. Okay, you can also dip your cotton. Make sure it's all wet. It's all. Is it? Wait, Zeb. Can you dip it again? Make sure.
Can I?
Okay.
Wheels?
And then rub on your wheels. Make sure.
It might like clean it a little bit because it's wet.
Yeah. Okay, just make sure. Just try to pick up everything that you can pick up. Turn the cotton buds. Yeah. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now we are gonna wait here. Try to not too hard, just swab it and make a letter Z. Can you make a letter Z? Can you make a letter Z?
Feels like jelly.
Yeah. No need that. You cannot touch that, Zach. Come on, let's try to make a letter Z. Not too hard, please. You just have to swab it on top.
I made my name.
Hold the dish for me. Hold the dish for me. Okay, enough, Zeb. Okay, that should be enough. Oh, try again. Not too hard.
I made my name. Exactly. Z.
Okay. Wait. Now we need to cover that. Give me. Cover it.
And then I use the other side. Oh, thank you.
Wait, Zach. Seal it. Make sure we don't open
What
that.
do I do this?
Wait.
Let me help.
Okay.
No.
We will. Wait a second.
We will do it. What will we do? Mommy, let me do my butt, okay?
I'll do your butt. Don't you worry.
Thank you. Please, Mommy.
Zach said he will. Yes, Mommy.
I'll try
Okay,
to
wait.
I think I'll try to do my own
Wait.
butt.
Okay.
And then, oh,
Dip.
why didn't you do my butt?
No. Wait, let's do your butt last, okay? Mommy will do the laptop first. You do the cell phone.
The phone's getting so wet.
Okay, don't make it too wet.
What am I doing now?
Nothing, Zach. You wait. I'm gonna do your butt.
The third one. The third one I'm gonna do this. We're just going through.
Wait.
Oh, there. It's like four.
Okay, that's enough, Zeb.
Yeah,
Now you wipe it there. Just try to wipe the dirty part on it.
Oh.
Not too hard.
I see it. I see it.
Is it still there, the dirty part? Wait.
Mommy? So you have, we both have two. We both have two.
Okay.
That's enough for Z.
Wait.
I'm trying to do my butt. Can I do my butt? Down to turn. I do my butt. That's the same cell phone as yours, Mommy. Look.
Yeah. Okay, so we are done gathering the bacteria. We had to do Zach's butt off cam.
Camera.
Off cam, yeah, off the camera because we don't want to see Zach's
I
butt
wanted.
in the camera, do we?
And the phone is
Okay,
wet.
so what we're gonna do, we're gonna hide this somewhere dark. So we're gonna hide it inside a cabinet or something, and then we will see after a few days.
You need a box like Ryan put in a box.
Okay, we'll see after a few days which one grew the most bacteria. I'm guessing it's the butt. What's your guess, Zeb?
Cover each of them under these.
What's your guess first, Zach?
But
Which one will grow the most bacteria?
Butt.
Your butt?
Mommy,
No, this is for my plants. Okay, what's your guess, Zeb?
I guess my wheels of my bike.
The wheels of your bike had the most bacteria. Okay, so we'll find out in a few days.
1 week later.
Hi guys. Remember the Germ Farm?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this is what happened in 1 week.
1 week. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
This is disgusting, but we're ready to show you. Do, 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 do. Okay. First, one by one, let's do Zeb's bike wheels.
How does
You can
I know how to
see-
do books.
Wait. See those bacteria that grew?
And then Zach's
That's a lot.
butt
Wait.
is clean.
Let's do Zach's scooter wheels.
Clean.
Okay. Kuya's wheel has a black mold that grew. I don't know what's the difference with just like this.
Because I
Okay.
keep driving a poop.
And this. My cell phone, the spare
So
cell
much
phone
polka
that
dots.
we use.
It's the same like colors around it.
Same colors? What do you mean?
Because those are like the same colors. as
I'm
the
curious to know, what are those orange
stuff.
ones?
Laptop.
Kasi this one has black ones.
More
Okay,
black
the
ones.
laptop is ew. Disgusting.
I know how to drive bikes.
1, 2, 3. It means the laptop keyboard is so dirty, guys. So we need to wipe that off. And amazingly, Zach's butt is clean.
Yes, we keep washing it.
Yeah, because we keep washing the butt, so no bacteria there. Good for you, Zach.
Yes,
So listen, kids.
Good for you.
Make sure to clean your things around the house, especially the ones that you keep using. So the cell phone, the laptop, we need to wipe it off with alcohol and tissue. And
And yourself.
we'll try to disinfect the bikes
And
too.
my butt. Yes.
Your butt is fine. You're good. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video.
Boy, see you next week. Month.